Here's a hearty and satisfying vegetarian dinner recipe.
Yields 4 servings. Prep time 30 minutes. Cook time 45 to 50 minutes.
Ingredients:
For the brown rice and beans, 1 cup dry brown rice, 2 cups vegetable broth or water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 small onion finely diced, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 15-ounce can black beans rinsed and drained, 1 15-ounce can pinto beans rinsed and drained, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro chopped for garnish, optional.
For the vegan beef strips and green beans,
1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 8-ounce package, vegan beef-style strips, 1 pound fresh or frozen green beans, trimmed, 1/4 cup vegetable broth or water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce or tamari, 1 teaspoon maple syrup or agave nectar, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste.
For the mashed potatoes,
2 pounds russet potatoes, peeled and quartered, 1/2 cup unsweetened plain plant-based milk, almond, soy, or oat work well, 1/4 cup vegan butter, salt and pepper to taste, fresh chives, chopped, for garnish, optional.
for the vegan biscuits,
2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup cold vegan butter, cut into small pieces, 3/4 cup unsweetened plain plant-based milk, plus more for brushing.
instructions.
Start the brown rice. Rinse the brown rice. In a medium saucepan, combine brown rice and vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 40 to 45 minutes, or until water is absorbed and rice is tender. Cook the potatoes. While rice is cooking, place quartered potatoes in a large pot and cover with cold water. Bring to a boil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until fork tender. Drain well. Prepare the biscuits. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Cut in the cold vegan butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add plant-based milk, mixing until just combined. Do not overmix. Turn dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat or roll to 1-inch thickness. Cut out biscuits using a round cutter. Place on a baking sheet. Brush tops with a little extra plant-based milk. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Finish the mashed potatoes. Return drained potatoes to the warm pot. Add plant-based milk, vegan butter, salt, and pepper. Mash with a potato masher until smooth and creamy. Adjust seasoning as needed. Keep warm. Cook the vegan beef strips and green beans. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add vegan beef strips and cook according to package directions until lightly browned and heated through. Remove from skillet and set aside. Add green beans to the same skillet with 1/4 cup vegetable broth or water. Cover and steam for 5 to 7 minutes for fresh, or 3 to 5 minutes for frozen until tender crisp. Uncover and cook until liquid evaporates. Return vegan beef strips to the skillet with the green beans. Add soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Toss to combine and heat through for another 2 to 3 minutes. Prepare the black and pinto beans. Once the rice is almost done, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a separate medium saucepan over medium heat. Add diced onion and cook until softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add minced garlic and cook for 1 minute more until fragrant. Stir in rinsed black beans, pinto beans, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Add 1/4 cup water or vegetable broth and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing flavors to meld. Assemble and serve. Fluff the brown rice with a fork. On each plate, create a mound of brown rice, top with the seasoned black and pinto beans. Add a generous serving of mashed potatoes. a portion of the vegan beef strips with green beans, and 1 or 2 warm vegan biscuits. Garnish with fresh cilantro and chives if desired.
Enjoy your delicious and wholesome vegan dinner. For more recipes, health and wellness tips, and much more, please subscribe. See you next time.